Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Hook your viewers in the first 3 seconds. This is critical because most people will scroll past if you don't grab their attention immediately. Use text overlays, surprising visuals, or a compelling question right at the start. Step 2. Keep your videos between 15 to 60 seconds long. YouTube Shorts rewards content that keeps people watching till the end, so shorter is often better in 2026. Aim for tight editing and no dead air. Step 3. Post consistently on a schedule that your audience expects. Whether it's daily or 3 times a week, consistency builds momentum and tells the algorithm you're an active creator. Step 4. Use trending sounds and music that match your niche. The algorithm loves videos that leverage what's already popular, and music is a huge part of discovery on the platform. Step 5. Add engaging captions and on-screen text throughout. Text keeps viewers engaged, helps with accessibility, and makes your content shareable across different platforms. By following these strategies, you'll start seeing real growth in your view counts and subscriber base.